Samsung Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus camera detail has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you already know that the Galaxy S22 series will going to be launching in the month of February according to leaks and rumors, and most of the important leaks of the device has already been leaked by different leaksters. Right now we didn't have any concrete information about the camera sensor for the upcoming Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. Well, today that mystery has been uncovered by Ice Universe, which give us a detail about the cameras for both the vanilla and the plus model. Interestingly, this leaks brings out that both the devices will be coming with the same camera hardware. Whether you are buying the S22 or the S22 Plus, both will be having the same camera sensor. Well, according to the leak coming from the Twitter Ice Universe, he detailed that there is going to be a 50 megapixel of a main sensor coming in both the devices, which is going to be having an f1.8 aperture. Anyhow, it sounds like that this main sensor could be coming from Samsung, and it may be a Samsung GN5, a latest sensor that Samsung has introduced recently in the 50 megapixel category. So hopefully its image and video quality will be improved. Well, as the 50 megapixel of a main sensor, when we compare it to the previous generation like the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus, they were coming with a 12 megapixel of a main sensor, and it's going to be a big upgrade as compared to the previous generation. So having a 50 megapixel sensor, I have already talked, it's going to be impressive. The video and the photo qualities will enhance quite significantly. Of course, the S22 series will be using the pixel binning technology, so a 12.5 megapixel resolution combining will give you a 50 megapixel of images, which has more detail as compared to the previous generation. And you're moving forward towards the other camera sensor. Well, we have a new telephoto camera sensor that is also coming. Instead of the lossless digital zoom approach that were coming in the S21 and S21 Plus, we are going to see a traditional optical zoom with a 3x of magnification in the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, and it will have a f2.4 aperture. This is going to be a 10 megapixel of a sensor, which is going to be a downgrade from the previous generation of a telephoto lens, which was at 64 megapixel. Anyhow, moving forward, joining those two camera sensors, we have an ultra wide camera, and it will have a 12 megapixel of a sensor. Well, basically it's going to be the same sensor that we have seen in the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, so there is not going to be any much improvement in terms of ultra wide camera. As far as the selfie cameras is concerned, it's going to be pretty much same as the S21 and S21 Plus, and it's going to be coming with a 10 megapixel of a sensor on the front side. Basically this is essentially the same as the S21 series. Well guys, combining all those camera sensor and judging upon that and comparing it with the S21 and S21 Plus, we will see definitely that it's going to be a downgrade in terms of telephoto camera sensor. But still we have to wait and see what's going to be the real world performance of this new 50 megapixel of a sensor. Until then, fingers are crossed right now. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe the channel. Peace.